Good morning, guys. So today we're gonna be unboxing Sony's Xperia Z phone series, and it's actually not a new model, but nonetheless I've got this at an affordable price, and I'm excited to open it. So come join me for this another unboxing of Sony's mobile phone. Okay, so we're checking what's inside the box itself. Oh wait, it's still there. Alright. Go. Curious. Okay, so this is how it looks like once you open the box, and then you have the unit itself still in a plastic bag. Okay, let me put it aside for a while, and then let's see what are the accessories also. Go, we open this. Okay, so you'll be seeing some manuals of different languages of this Xperia Z C6603. Right. Okay. Instruction manuals. Put it aside. Okay, let's see. We have some extra earbuds. Okay, let's see if it focuses on the earbuds itself. Here you go. Perfect. Right? And then you have the charging 2-pin with the USB slot here. Yep. There you go. So 5 volts. And then we have the Sony earphone with a 3.5 jack on it. If it focuses. Yes. Right. Then the micro USB charging cable. Yep. So let's put them back here. Here are the contents of the accessories. Again, this is a 3.5 millimeter headphone in-ear jack, a extra set of earpiece, and a charging cable, micro USB, and the adapter USB with 2-pin 5 volts. So here we go. And of course, what's important about it is the unit itself. Right, so it still has some plastic cover in it, so let's try to remove it. Oh, very nice. Smooth. And at the back also, here you go. Yep, nice. So it comes in purple color. I love purple. And then now we're opening the unit. There you go. Our startup begins with the Xperia logo and some rainbow there. Oh, very nice startup, and already it has some 68% battery life initially. Yep. Let's see. Okay, you have to do some settings also. Done. Then read the important information. Check. Okay, now I have to insert the SIM card and then restart the phone. Okay, what's good about this model is that it has a Bravia engine technology. Of course, it has also an Exmor RS for mobile, an opti-contrast panel, NFC, and of course Bluetooth technology. What I like about this is that even with this model, with this unit, it's actually full HD with 1080p pixels. And of course it's an Android, and then Wi-Fi certified. And the camera has 13 megapixels with a 4 times the 1.5 gigahertz quad-core processor. And of course it has a HDR because of the full HD capabilities, and 12.7 centimeters is the size of its LCD. It's actually pretty good basic phone if you want to have an Android mobile. It's actually pretty affordable also. For those people who want some Android phone with basic features, with good quality camera and LCD. Alright, so there you go. This is the unboxing of SONY XPERIA Z by Sony.